This isn't an everyday demo. That house, this house, my machine, everything got caught up in a fire and burnt to the ground real quick.
It started right around 1:20 this morning when they were called here for a fire in a house that was under construction.
I took a little hit on my machine, but Chapel Tractor stood behind me, and we ended up doing a full swap, 3 machines, and now I got all brand new stuff, and I gotta go. Come on, we're getting close. Got this all cleaned up. Reason why there was such a push was engineers dialed in for, I think, noon, and he's going to come down and take a peek at the damage.